So today is phyllo. I mean, I'm really taking advantage of phyllo dough. Now the next dish I'm going to make for them is a little tomato tart or tomato canapé. So I'm going to start with some diced tomatoes. Now it really depends on how many people you want to feed as to how much tomato you need. And I'm going to add about 1 or 2 teaspoons of chopped onion. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of house seasoning. And then I'm going to take just a couple of fresh basil leaves and I'm going to just chop those up. And basil has a fairly strong taste, so it won't take much. If you use too much, it'll overpower your tomatoes. So in goes with the basil. And we're just going to mix those up. Oh, that basil really smells so good. All right, now for our topping or our frosting to our canapés, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella. Now you can use any kind of cheese that you like. You can use cheddar, you can use a Gruyere, really any kind of cheese that you like. All right, so I'm just going to mix those 2 ingredients together. And I'm going to finish getting up my basil. There we go. All right, now I'm going to move these little crust or tart shells up here in front of me. So I'm just going to fill each of these cups with the tomato, the onions, and the basil. You can take this tomato from a canapé to a full-size pie and serve it by the slice, but it's just really versatile. Now I'm going to add 1 ingredient to this that my regular tomato pie does not get. And I'll show you what that's going to be in just a few minutes. And here goes our frosting. Mayonnaise and cheese. You know, that's really hard to beat. And we're going to put these in the oven and we're going to bake them until our cheese is melted and bubbly. And I promise you they're going to scoff these down. Now they're ready. Now you want to be sure and take them out of the tray because that tray will melt. So make sure you don't stick that in the oven. Now look how pretty these are. Okay, so in the oven these go. And it won't take but a minute because everything is really cooked. We just want our cheese to get hot and melty. So it'll like frost our canapés, and they are going to be delicious. Hey, welcome back, y'all. Our tomato canapés are ready. I'm smelling them. Look at those pretty little things. And they're actually starting to sizzle a little bit. I'm going to kind of push them together because I've got 1 more ingredient to add to these, and that's a little bacon. And I'm using like a jarred bacon. You can find this product in your salad dressing section. These are great topped on salads. And I just love bacon and tomato. Everything looks so good today. The weather's just beautiful. And hopefully the girls and I'll be able to sit out on the back porch, crawl up on the bed swing, and just gossip and gossip and laugh and laugh. And no men allowed. Well, except for my dogs, because they won't repeat a word. Ooh, I let these get really hot. They're gonna love them. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.